Different variety of dates and their benefits. Eating 2 pieces of dates daily is good in health. It is high in fiber, high in antioxidants, prevent diabetes, highly nutritious, facilitates natural labor, gut health, cardiovascular disease, improves brain functionality, natural sugars, decrease cholesterol, bone density, boost energy, help with delivery, prevent cancer, prevents microbial infections, anti-inflammatories, sugar substitute, aids healthy bowel movement, can prevent night blindness, and that's